Hello, today we will discuss two examples. One is related to Bill Coxon signed rank test for two pair observations, and another example is related to Kolmogorov-Smirnov test. We will discuss these examples one by one. First, we will discuss example related to your Kolmogorov-Smirnov test. Okay, example is that let us take two simple independent samples of sizes 70 and 100 respectively from a universe attribute, okay, whose x is continuously distributed, means observations are continuously distributed. Next, we observe the value of the random variable dmn. Okay, dmn is just like we have discussed in Kolmogorov-Smirnov test, and we have dmn, value of dmn is equal to 0.18. Then it is asked that what is the probability that dmn is the probability that dmn is less than the observed value. Okay, you have one tail test. Here we have to check that what is the probability that dmn is the probability, what is the probability that dmn is less than the observed value. Okay, solution is very simple. Here we have two sample sizes n1 and n2, or let it be m and n. Okay, thus here we have capital N, that is equal to m into n upon m plus n, as n1 into n2 upon n1 plus n2. In the same way, here we have n1 is equal to m and n2 is equal to n. So capital N is equal to m into n upon m plus n. Now we put the value of m and n. We get 70 into 100 upon 70 plus 100, and this is your equal to 7000 upon 170, and after solving you will find its value as equal to 41.2. okay, thus we have capital N as 41.2, and let it be equation number 1. Now in Kolmogorov-Smirnov test, you have to find the value of n k power 1 by 2, that is under root n. So if you find under root n, that is under root 41.2, then its value comes out to be 6.42. okay, thus we have under root n is equal to 6.42. Now we find the value of delta as delta is equal to dmn into n के power 1 by 2, and this is your equal to dmn is 0.18. Okay, this is given in your example and multiplied by n की power 1 by 2, that is 6.42. Thus we have 0.18 into 6.42 is equal to 1.16. Okay, let it be equation number 2. Now hence by Smirnov limit theorem we have probability of dmn less than 0.18, and this may be equal to probability dmn less than lambda upon under root n, and this is your equal to probability dmn less than 1 upon 1.6 upon 6.42. Okay, and you will find its value equivalent to q 1.16, and this is where its value is equal to 0.8644, and these values has been obtained from the given table which is given in your book in the last. Okay, thus q 1.16 is equivalent to 0.8644. So this is the probability that dmn is less than the observed value. This is equal to 0.8644. Okay, now we will discuss one another example which is related to your Wilcoxon sign rank test for paired observations. Here we have 8 pairs. Okay, pair number are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Observation of x1 x2 is given. For pair 1, x1 x2 value is 7.6 and 7.3, and thus their difference is 0.3. And for pair number 2, we have x1 6.3, 5.7, and its difference is 0.6. Okay, for pair number 3rd, we have 10.3 and 10.5, and their difference is minus 0.2. Similarly, for pair number 4, we have observation 6.2, 4.7, and its difference is 1.5. And for the pair number 5, we have observation 5.4, 5.3, and its difference is 0.1. Similarly, we have for pair number 6 is 9.3 and 8.2, and its difference is 1.1. Okay, and for pair number 7, we have value x1 as 10 and x2 as 9.1, and its difference is 0.9. Similarly, for the last observation, that is number 8, observation is value is x1 is equal to 8.4 and x2 is equal to 7.0, and its difference is equal to 1.4. Thus we have the differences 0.3, 0.6, minus 0.2, 1.5, 0.1, 1.1, 0.9, and 1.4. Now we allot rank. So we start from point 1. so we allot it rank 1. Similarly, now we come on 0.2, its rank is 2, and for 0.3 its rank is 3, and for 0.6 its rank is 4, and for 0.9 its rank is 5, and for 1.1 its rank is 6, and for 1.4 its rank is 4, and its rank is 7, and for 1.4 its rank is 8. Okay, so this is the rank of the differences allotted, that is 3 4 2 8 1 6 5 7. Now we have the signed rank, that is your in the same way 3 4 2, that is minus 8 1 6 5 7. Okay, so we have 8 pairs observation, and now we see that positive rank sum. Okay, positive rank sum is equal to 34. Add this one by one, you will get add addition as equivalent to 34, and negative rank sum, that is simply one observation, that is equal to 2, and thus we see rank for smaller differences. The smaller rank sum is t, and this is equal to 2. Now from the table, okay, we find that a t of 4 or less is significant at alpha is equal to 0.05 for the two-sided hypothesis. Okay, ed is equal to 0 if the hypothesis is ed less or equal to 0, then a negative rank total of 4 or less is significant at alpha is equal to 0.025 approximate. Okay, from the table we find that a t, that is rank sum t of 4 or less is significant at alpha is equal to 0.05 for the two-sided hypothesis. Okay, ed is equal to 0, and if the hypothesis was ed less or equal to 0, then a negative rank total of 4 or less is significant at alpha, that is level of significance, is equal to 0.025 approximate. Thus this is your two examples, one related to Kolmogorov-Smirnov test and second is related to Wilcoxon signed rank test for paired observations. Okay, so this is all about of today class, and keep yourself happy. Thank you.